Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Black color, blue color, brown color, orange color, pink color, parrot green color and yellow color. Let's trace 1 to 10 and these shapes. Let's get started. Circle, triangle, square, heart, let's paint. Orange color heart, heart, blue color square, parrot green color triangle, triangle, purple color circle, circle, 10, 1 0 10, 9, 8,
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows
7,
in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my
6,
darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to
5,
loo loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue.
4,
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted
3,
blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
2,
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my
and
darling.
last one.
Texas 2 by 2, off to Texas.
Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle, triangle, square, heart. Purple color, parrot green color, blue color, orange color. Very good guys. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.